You searched how to buy shares of EQBK Shares Inc., and this quick guide will walk you through the practical steps. EQBK Shares Inc. is a regional community bank listed on NASDAQ under the ticker EQBK. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy EQBK, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker EQBK to locate the EQBK Shares Inc. listing. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing to confirm it is the correct stock. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart for EQBK. Verify the company name and ticker on the page so you're certain you have the right asset. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you wish to allocate, and carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed based on the order type, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Your EQBK position will appear in your portfolio once the order executes or the position is filled. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to follow the same steps.